Okay, Operation Black Door now loading. First step, remove the hardware and the door. We're doing multiple doors here, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to label each door and what is the top of the door so I know how to put it back on. So this one is the top office door. Using 220 grit sandpaper, we sanded down the door. Did we do both sides yet?
No.
Okay, so one side is definitely done, and you can just see the smooth finish of it right there.
I'll make sure you get the edge here. Get this, but don't do the bottom or top. You don't need to do the bottom and top. You don't have to sand. You're not making it.
It's looking good. Gonna flip it around and do the second side.
Show what type of paint is it too.
You always do that.
I know.
You just paint it all over the lid. Over,
I know.
over what it was.
Everything. Yep, there's trim though. Did you see some of it? See?
Cabinet door and trim enamel. It's enamel, so that's why it's so thin. You're not gonna walk that out all the way over there, right?
No, just get the brush wet.
It's almost looking like a gray.
I hope you mix it right. Truth, it looks like that satin I was saying about.
That you didn't want to do?
No, the one that's from I saw on TV.
I mean, yeah, it looks a lot more grayish in the tin too.
Sometimes it was that remember, put it darken up.
Is it? Alright. Oh wow, you can see like the broom just like glossing over the door. Yeah, it looks so good.
It looks like it wasn't paint. It looks like it was spray painted.
Yeah.
It really looks like it got spray painted.
Wow, it's such a smooth finish. We're gonna go over it with a second coat.
Yeah, it'll be done. Let it dry for 2 hours for this Behr trim to paint. 2 hour dry.
Do you think that you're gonna let it dry overnight, or you're gonna put it back like
I don't know.
tonight?
I'll see how it is.
Okay.
One time. I'll give a second coat.
So a tip to keep in between coats your pail and your brush or your roller fresh is to put some foil over the pan, which we did, and also wrap your brush in plastic, like a plastic grocery bag.